How to start speaking English from scratch. New learning technologies, best results. Your chance to master English.
Hi, everybody. My name is Teacher Vlad. I am an English language teacher. I have been teaching English for a long time, and now I am teaching in Thailand. I helped many of my students to start speaking English and to master English on a high level. It is because I don't teach English. I teach speaking English. Most teachers in YouTube teach like this. They explain something and show words and sentences on the whiteboard. You can learn grammar with such teachers, but you cannot learn speaking because you only look and listen. Some teachers make cartoon videos with dialogues. You cannot learn grammar watching cartoons like this, but you can learn conversational English. You can look, listen, and repeat. Can you learn speaking in such a way? No. Because we can do exactly what we learn. It means that watching cartoons and repeating words and phrases, you will learn repeating words and phrases. And it is the reason why many YouTube learners cannot speak English after many years of learning. You can see many comments like these in YouTube.
I can understand others, but I can't build up sentences while speaking to someone.
I understand everything, but I can't speak in properly.
Why I can understand everything in this video, but I can't speak properly in English.
If you want to learn riding a bicycle, you take a bicycle and ride it. If you want to learn riding a horse, you take a horse and ride it. Can you learn riding a bicycle by learning riding a horse? No. Can you learn riding a bicycle watching YouTube videos about riding a bike or a horse? No. Can you learn riding a horse watching YouTube videos about riding a horse? No. Because to learn riding a horse, you should take a horse and ride it. That's it. There isn't any other way to learn riding a horse. Can you learn speaking English watching YouTube videos and listening to a teacher? No. Can you learn speaking English watching cartoon videos? No. Because you can do exactly what you learn. If you want to speak English, you should practice speaking English. You should speak by yourself. The more you speak, the better will be the result. Can I practice speaking with a tutor? Not always, because a tutor is expensive. Can I practice speaking with native speakers? It is impossible for most learners. Can I practice speaking with beautiful English? Yes. It is easy, effective, and very cheap. We have invented two unique, beautiful, and very effective speaking simulators. The first one is color schemes. Colors and pictures help a learner to understand the meaning and learn speaking without translation. At first, you look, listen, and repeat. Then you look at empty color schemes, think, make sentence and speak, replacing colors with words. You make all types of sentences and practice speaking. The second one is a talking lingua card or a speaking training card. At first, you see an arrow, a sentence, and listen to a voiceover.
I had been baking pizza for an hour when he came. We had been baking pizza for an hour when he came. No, she hadn't been sleeping for 3 hours when a telephone rang. Had you been swimming since noon before it started to rain?
Then, you see an arrow, but don't see a sentence. You should think, make a sentence and pronounce it by yourself. These exercises are very good for developing fluency and accuracy of speech. In this video fragment, my second grade students practice speaking with a talking lingua card.
Make sentence.
To learn more about Beautiful English Speaking Training System and about our courses, visit our website beautifulenglish.org. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to be in touch and to know about new videos and new courses. Bye for now. Good luck and all the best. See you at my courses.
Your chance to master English.